Dili na kong tibuan, Davaw ka ating karoon mo. Sa Pedro, hasta yung pagkana natin sa English this year. Pero hindi na makalitan siya sa those online. Davaw sa inyong talan! Good morning and greetings sa mga nakatanaw na rin sa atong Facebook Live. No, sa atong Davaw sa Jesus. Okay, accompanied by diplomatic officials and staff, teachers, students from Sekolah Indonesia Davao, and interns from University in Indonesia with their Indonesian traditional costumes. Indonesia is the biggest archipelago in the world with more than 17,508 islands, 1,300 ethnic groups, and 1,211 local languages. Once again, Consul General of the Republic of Indonesia, Terima kasih. Following their command, kita po na dito sa station po ang Red Buffalo's Piedad Central Elementary School Drum and Bugle Corps. Piedad Central Elementary School ay mula po sa Torrio, Davao City. They joined the latest competition. Dun po nga sa Bangladesh in 2023. They are composed of 100 learners from Piedad Central Elementary School, composed of bass, blowing instruments, patriots, and color guards, enthusiasts, and well-minded personality. Ayan, nato pagpangkat ng Red Buffalo's Piedad Central Elementary School Drum and Bugle Corps. Again, doon po sa mga nakatutok sa atin kung wala sila dito sa San Pedro Square. So, some love para sa lahat ng mga Dabawenyos. ang kanilang mga supporters din online nga nagtutok yun sa journey sa atong mga mutya ng Davao delegates. Again, they started from 30 amongst other 80 plus yung nagpa-screen.
That's right.
And now they're down to just 5. At eto po ang ating mga ambassadors ng City of Davao, our mutya ng Davao and her court.
Unfortunately, I was not able to watch the live mutya ng Davao, no? Kaya na ako sa gawas. But then I watched it via Facebook. Well, naarap ko dito live. And of course, you had a great hosting job there. Congratulations, Resi.
This is one thing that we are so proud. Ang women sa Davao, di nila kay basta guwapa, atili. They all have their own journeys that they had to overcome, challenges that they had to overcome. And I must say, kani sila even during the closed-door interview, very impressive performance from all our ladies. Nakantay, salamat ko. Congratulations to our new mutya ng Davao, Hannah Tisho and her court. Joining them as well, ayan, marami pang mga
Napanay another float sa mga queens.
Oy, syempre.
But then, of course, ang atong mga mutya will be joining our officials on stage.
We'll see more of them. Kaya kanigid sila mo welcome sa mga visitors, no? Sa City of Davao.
And of course, Resi, we have experience with that. As a former mutya, so, you have to enjoy every moment of it.
Ito pa.
Ayan, ito na sila, ang ating mga queens.
Syempre,
Ang
you can see
gaganda.
more of the highlights. Ang dami mga pinagdaanan nito. Nag-pre-planting pa yan sila. Nag-hiking. Welcome! Happy araw ng Davao. Syempre, apart from mutya ng Davao, aduna po tayo hiyas sa Kadayawan. Syempre, sa Davao City, we're a multicultural spot. We are so proud of our 11 tribes. And of course, our LGBTQ community. Nandito din po sila, our Reyna Dabawenyo.
Of course, represented by Reyna Dabawenyo. Ayan!
Welcome!
Ang dami nating queens today.
Oh, daghagwapa, basta Dabawenyo.
Basta Dabawenyo, guwapa, disiplinada.
Yun.
Disiplinada ba pag babae?
Oh, pareho. At syempre, during the celebration din ng araw, mukha ng Davao pala merong song composed especially for mukha ng Davao.
Yes, I heard that, pero hindi ko pa narinig.
Ay, kailangan mo marinig, ate. Lahira Jud ang Dabawenyo by Sir
Dahil Jude ang
Sarmiento.
Dabawenyo. Is it now airing on Spotify or YouTube?
I'm sure, but they can also do a replay para they can...
Our silent heroes, Davao City Responders!
Happy araw ng Davao! Ayan, tuloy-tuloy ang ating Parada Dabawenyo. Ang Davao City Responder ngayon ang kasama natin dito sa San Pedro Square.
They're composed of different groups, no? Resi, pwede sila NGO, Napora BDR, MCEMS, and these are all volunteers.
And again, one thing that we're so proud about Davao City is our disaster preparedness. Kaya daghang kaayo salamat kay you know we are in tandem with the city government in preparing the communities, the people in times of emergencies and disaster. Kaya we're really happy so much to support also all agencies, all groups, even private sectors. Kaya daghang kaayo salamat.
They're risking their lives to save others.
And of course,
Joining us, Task Force Kasalan Incorporated Central Mindanao Command Office.
Task Force Kasalan Incorporated Central Mindanao Command Force multiplier in a social civic organization to fight against illegal drugs, corruption, terrorism, and anti-crime. 15 years in service for the humanitarian charity work and community service.